Hi, for Uber?
Yeah. Are you here for moonshine?
Yes.
Yeah. Hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Oh my gosh, so good.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you mind if I eat a little?
No, I don't allow food or liquids in my car.
But I'm a vegan, so it's different. I'm just gonna...
No food or... You can't eat... Okay, just please don't make a mess, because I have a zero...
It's an apple, it's fine.
Hey, well, if you spill, it's a cleaning policy. It's $150.
Okay. Anyway.
So just be careful, and I will take photos after.
Okay, cool. So as an Uber driver, do you eat meat?
I mean, I eat meat as a normal person, like anybody else would, yeah.
So like...
Chicken, steak, pig, or what is it called? Pork? Yeah, pork, bacon.
So you, like, don't care about the environment?
What do you... No, I do care about the environment.
Well, did you know that as a meat eater, you're wasting so much more energy, and all of the animals...
Energy?
And all of the animals are getting brutally...
It's natural for mankind to eat animals. That's literally the life cycle.
Oh,
What do you think, caveman? You think caveman, you're vegan?
Okay, but...
They're literally hunting animals.
All right,
it says it in the Bible.
Okay,
Go hunt
okay.
Cattle, I'm pretty sure. Something like that.
Okay, well, to counter what you're saying, there weren't pesticides back then. There weren't hormones back then that they were pumping into these animals. So you're eating something that is instilled with fear as it's getting murdered.
Well, guess what? Have you ever heard of a organic chicken farm? Or the free range? You ever heard of that? Free range?
It's not actually good for you. Also, question. Are your seats leather?
Yes, they are leather.
Do you know how many cows had to die for this vehicle?
Can you put your seatbelt on?
No.
What? Put your seatbelt on.
No, because there's leather on it.
Let me guess. Because you don't follow logic. And that's why you're a vegan too. Roasted. You're done. You're canceled.
I'm canceled for doing something good for the environment, and you're not.
You're canceled for having zero logic.
Okay.
You're a literally vegan. You probably don't even know, like, that actually consuming vegetables is worse for the environment.
It's actually, there's multiple studies saying it's not, but okay.
You think about this. Every time you have to eat vegetables, you contribute to farms that they had to kill off animals to not eat those vegetables.
That's not true.
Yep, it is. They gotta kill
all the... No, it's not.
They spray around the farm to kill off all the rabbits so they don't eat all the vegetables.
That's inaccurate information.
Take a study class.
I have.
Well, it's probably biased, so they probably didn't listen to that.
You're biased.
Well, everybody's biased. We all have our own biases. Nobody's completely unbiased. Somebody claims they're unbiased, they're clearly trying to push their agenda on you. Claiming that they're unbiased just so that they can claim that, look, I'm smarter than you. I'm unbiased. Here's my point.
Okay, well, either way, this is like the worst car ride I've ever been in. I'd like to get out.
You'd like to get out?
Yeah.
Why? Because you're a vegan? And you want to walk instead? I guess that makes sense. You can walk the rest of your way so you don't use any gasoline.
Why are you so mean?
I'm not. I'm literally normal. I'm a normal human being.
I don't think this is normal.
I'm a normal human being.
Okay. I'm going to leave you a gift. One clementine for you. I'm just going to... It's good luck if you put it on the collarbone.
Okay.
Put it...
No, don't not touch me.
Okay. I wish you the best. Good luck, sir.
Okay, 5 stars, please. Thank you.
Nope.
Yeah, my tip. Where's my tip? You didn't leave me a tip.
I gave you the clementine.
I need dollars.
Okay.
A banana?
Yeah.
No, I need dollar bills.